Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching Technical World. Images that you are receiving on WhatsApp on iPhone and iPad not showing in iPhone gallery. Today in this video we will learn how to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. On first step, we will check the WhatsApp setting. To check that, first launch WhatsApp, then tap Settings. Here we have to tap on Storage and Data, and under Media Auto Download we will check the settings. First we have to tap on Photos. Here if we select Never, then you will never be download the images from your WhatsApp. And if you want to allow WhatsApp to download images only with Wi-Fi, then select Wi-Fi, otherwise you select Wi-Fi and cellular data. Go back, and audio you will do the same, video as well, and documents too. After this setting, we have to go back to settings. Here we have to tap on chats. Here we have an option save to camera roll, automatically save photos and videos you receive to your iPhone camera roll. You have to make sure that this option is also enabled. Second, we have to go to settings, scroll fine and tap on general and tap iPhone storage. Here we have to make sure that iPhone is not running out of space. If iPhone is running out of space, then you are not able to get images, video, audio or documents. In the end, do one thing more, tap and hold App Store. Now tap Updates and check the list. Is there is any update available for WhatsApp? If there is, then update your WhatsApp. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.